Hey everyone, and welcome back to First Step Meal Prep. My name is Kristen, and in today's video we are going to be making a meal that I've been having quite a lot during this quarantine. Cocoa Pebbles. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and pop that notification bell so you never miss any of my future recipe videos. Also be sure to check out the description box for that free document that I always have there that has the macros, the grocery list, as well as the full recipe and directions. Alright, enough chatting, let's get to prepping. The only two ingredients that you are going to need are some cocoa pebbles and almond milk. This is the Califia Farms unsweetened almond milk. It's soy-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, all that's good in life. And it wasn't free, it was actually quite expensive. But you are going to need this because it is low in sugar and low in fat. And we're going to be watching for this recipe even though we got here and it's good. Alright, so these are the containers that we are going to be prepping our cereal in. Perfect. Now we are going to be doing cereal first in these containers because that's right people, it's always cereal first before milk. If you're doing it the other way, you're wrong. Do that. Make sure you don't drop any on the floor for your dog to snatch like I just did. Alright, now you can store these in a pantry or fridge, however you prefer your cereal. Now we're going to get to the milk. I'm going to use these containers because cereal's already a grab and go kind of thing, but we're just making it quicker now. Fill it about halfway. Figured this is about like half a cup or so. Perfect.